They always say if you never tasted the bitter, you never know what sweet tastes like. I don't let what happened in my life and what that situation dictate where I'm going at in life right now.
When you first meet Amir, he just brings this energy into the room. You know, his smile lights up, he's jovial with you.
I knew I was getting up in age. I was worried about my stability when I come home. I was worried about me getting a job. I was incarcerated. I have been locked up since 2006. I ended up getting out 2017.
I think people have it within themselves in general that if they find themselves in that spot, that they have a choice, right? This way or this way. And I think for the most part, a lot of people do want to choose the right path.
He saw this as his second chance. He's been so blessed and he wants to take this opportunity and just run with it.
It was overwhelming to me because first of all, I was nervous, I was scared, and I didn't want to fail.
Manpower is truly invested in how your career path looks. And that's why we offer My Path. That's why we offer the trainings that we do.
I think me dealing with, like I said, April and John, and just, you know, anything that I needed, whatever, or just staying in contact with me and making sure if everything was all right, it was almost like a family.
We want to build those long-term job opportunities for our associates, for our clients.
To me, like I said, I felt like I was on the bottom of that class. And now I feel like I'm on the top because of what I learned in Skill Up. I think that was some of the best thing that any temporary service done, is to do something like that instead of just putting people out there. You know, give them something, give them a tool.
I think what impressed me about Amir more than anything is that he was truly engaged in the entire process. He asked a lot of great questions. He was just amazing.
It feels good to walk out of that work. I work hard, and knowing I put my hours in, knowing I got a check coming every week, it feels good to walk out of there. I got my lunchbox in my hand. I always said it's the second half of my life, and you know, there's no other half after this. I mean, it's looking pretty good to me.